here I am going to teach you class 7 exercise 1.4. Question number first is evaluate. Okay, so look at very carefully. This is very simple question. So question number 1, simply minus 30 divided by 10. What you will get? Minus 30 divided by 10. You know very well that 10 divided by answer 0, 0 cancel. That means 3. But what about minus? Here we can say negative integer and positive integer. When divide negative into positive, what you will get? I have already told you that there is different sign. So what you will get? Simple negative sign. If there is different sign means here is minus and here is plus. So what you will get in answer is minus sign. Okay. And if there is negative and negative, same sign are there. So what we have to do? Simple, apply positive sign. Now look at this. This is also one negative integer and one positive integer. What you will get? 49 divided by 49. 9 divided by 49. You know very well what you will get. Simple. It's 1. And here is minus sign. So minus and 1 plus. So what you will get? Simple. Minus 1. So when any negative integer same number divided by negative and positive integer are same, so you will get minus 1 always. Now come in our next question. Now look at question number 1, E part. What is our E part? Simple. 30 as it is, divide as it is. According to Bodmas rule, you know about Bodmas rule, right? So first we will solve bracket digit. So what are they? Minus 2 and plus 1. Minus into plus is minus. So 2 minus 1 you will get 1. And greatest digit. What is greatest digit? 2 or 1? Obviously 2. So write the sign of 2. Don't be confused. Maths is very simple. Okay. 13 divided by 1. You will get 13, right? But minus and 1 and plus. What you will get now? Negative. Division, first you multiply the number as it is and then sign. So when positive integer divide by negative integer, you will always get negative integers, right? So now 0 divided by 12, you know very well that if we divide 0 to any number, what you will get? Obviously 0. So 0 divided by 12, you will get 0 as it is. Now you are thinking about that, ma'am, here is minus and here is no sign. So what you have to do? Negative or some simple? No. I told you that in 0, 0 is a whole number. 0 in 0, there is no negative and no positive because 0 is negative, not negative integer and not a positive integer. Simple, right? 0. Don't apply this sign, okay? This is wrong. Only you can write simple 0. Now what we have to do in G part? So this is also very simple. First you solve the bracket digit. Yeah, I know that number is also in bracket, but solve the two numbers first, okay? So what is the number? 31 divided, first solve. So minus integer. If there is minus, when we add negative integers to the negative integers, what you will have to do? The solution will change in plus, okay? Because minus plus. So 30 plus 1 is 31, but the sign will be of greatest digit. So 30 sign. Here is minus 31 is the answer. Now divide 31, divide by 31. What you will get? Obviously 1. Okay, and minus divided by minus means same sign are there. So apply plus sign. That means positive 1. Okay, this is the answer. Hope now 6. Here is I part. Look at I part. Question number 1. Minus 6. Minus and plus. If we solve a negative number to positive number, so what we have to do? Simple minus, because minus plus is minus. So 6 minus 5 is 1 and greater sign is there. That means minus 1. Divide And if you have solved this, apply this small bracket. Okay. Open the square bracket. Now again minus plus is minus, and 2 minus 1 you will get 1 minus 1 because 2 is greater digit. Now 1 divided by 1 you will get 1 obviously. Minus divided by minus you will get plus 1. That means same sign are there. So this is now look at h part. Question number 1, h part. So here solve bracket digit first. Here is divide. So 12 divided by 36 you will get 3, right? And minus and plus. So different sign are there. So you will get minus 3 obviously. And here is 3. Now 3 divided by 3 you will get 1 minus and plus. That means different sign are there. So what? Minus 1 is the answer. So look at very carefully and solve it. Try to practice it. Okay. So question number 1 of exercise 1.4 is completed, and B and C part is your practice question. So do it and send it to my comment box.